It was Papa who told me, Jerry, magsulat ka ng libro someday, ha? May title pa siya. Ito magandang title, Jerry. Imagine I was like 12 years old, Gems Along the Way. Wow! Ano yung gems? Parang yung mga lessons, gano'n, sabi niya, may maganda kang nabasa na line, isulat mo, o may magandang kanta. Parang may nakolekta ka habang naglalakad ka sa mundo. What is a gem? God encounter moments. Yun. Yun sana po ang kinokolekta natin. As we go through life, what were those moments you encountered God, the Father, Son, and the Spirit? That's your gem. All of us have a gem. God encounter moments. Maybe nung nagkasakit ka. Maybe siguro nung na-in-love ka. Maybe siguro nung nag-break up kayo. Those were God encounter moments when you experience God. Focus on this moment. Itong real treasure. Hindi yung gems mo na ang dami kang mga, kung ano-ano dyan, mga burloloy. These gems will pass. Pero yung gems ng puso mo, your God encounter moments, no one can take that away from you. And the challenge is this. Be a gem. God encounter maker. Sa pamamagitan mo sana, through you, people can experience God.